शेनवारा पणजे मांडवी न्हंयत सागरी विमानाची जैतिवंत चाचणी जाली। गोंय सरकारान पर्यटका खातीर ही नवी सुविधा निर्माण केल्या। ताचे फाटोफाट आयतारा अडफळा एका तारांकीत हॉटेलात पावसी खेळाच्या सुविधेचें उक्तावण जालें। गोंयांत येवपी पर्यटकांचो आंकडो वाडोवपाक आता उदकांतल्या आधुनीक तंत्रगिन्यानाचो उपयोग जावपाक लागला। हडफडेच्या रिसॉर्ट महिंद्रा दुरादा ह्या तारांकीत हॉटेलांत ही सुविधा निर्माण केल्या। हे नवे सुविधेचे नाव दवरला मान्सून फन पार्क। मान्सून ओपन वॉटर पार्क प्रायवेट लिमिटेड हे कंपनीन ही नवी सुविधा हाडल्या। हे सुविधेचो आस्वाद 6 वर्साच्या भुरग्या सावन 60 वर्साच्या ज्येष्ठा मेरेन कोणीय घेवं येता। उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक थळावे आमदार मायकल लोबो, पर्यावरण मंत्री एलिना साल्ढाणा आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आसले। नवी सुविधा पर्यटकांक आकर्षित करपाक खूब म्हत्वाची थारतली अशें ह्या प्रकल्पाच्या मुखेल अधिकाऱ्यान सांगलें।
And we started 1 year ago. We started a project to looking for something that really could boost the tourism in Goa. We looked at different opportunities, and then we finally come up with this kind of product. And what we really want to do is to do something for the hoteliers, for the shack owners, for the travel agencies and things like that, to create what we call a magnet factor for a tourist. In 60 countries around the globe, and it's also 700 million visitors have been visited this type of fun parks. And we think there's 3 major factors behind it. One of the thing is that it's modular built design. It's like a Lego. The next important thing is that it's eco-friendly. It's produced according to the stringent safety and security and environmental standards around the globe, and we have certificates for everything from EU, from the States, and from all other globes.
हे आमचे लेक असले हिंगा। ही लेक खाली मातशी ड्रेजिंग केल्या, क्लिनिंग केल्या, आणि there is nearly 3 meters deep water, and this theme fun park has been placed over here. It is totally eco-friendly, and it gives a good feeling.
Yes, I'm very happy to be here this evening for the inauguration of this Monsoon Fun Park, which I know is a novel idea, not only in the state of Goa but in the whole country. And as I see the children playing, I am tempted to almost join them, and I wish I was a child again to be with them, the adults. And I think this will be one wonderful way of unwinding ourselves and forgetting the cares of the world and just enjoying and being close to nature. What I appreciate most about this project is the fact that it is totally environment friendly. There is no concrete here, there's no stone, there's no steel. It is just fiber which is inflated, and for any reason, if you should feel that it has to move, you just deflate it.
गोंय सरकारान पर्यटका खातीर उपलब्ध केल्ल्या सागरी विमानाविशीं कळंगूटचे आमदार मायकल लोबो हाणें आपलें मत उक्तायलें।
If you ask me, I would never allow a seaplane to come into the Goan rivers or the Goan ocean. हे आमचे Arabian Sea जो आहा, it's always rough, आणि तितून कितलेच भाशेचे एक्टिविटी चालू आहा आमच्यो। कालांगूट कांदोली बागा आमचे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी चालू आसता, थिंगा फिशिंग एक्टिविटीज चालू आहा। आमी माग केल्लो आहा जागो वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स उरलेलो फिशिंग एक्टिविटीक दिल्लो आहा, आनी मोदेकाट सगळे ट्रॉलर वयता। मांदोवी रिवरान हांवें आयकलां की हे सी प्लेन म्हणटा पळय ते मांदोवी रिवरान लँड जातले म्हणून। मांदोवी रिवर इज ऑलरेडी फ्लडेड, थिंगासोर 100 काजिनो लागलेले आहा, प्लस अदर ट्रॉलर्स आहा, फिशिंग ट्रॉलर्स इन एंड आउट वयता। एक सी प्लेन जेन्ना टेक ऑफ जाता आनी लँड जाता तेन्ना बाकीचे सगळे एक्टिविटी बंद करचे पडटा। सो आय डोंट नो हाव द सिव्हिल एविएशन एंड अदर ऑथॉरिटीज आर गोइंग टू मॉनिटर दिस एंड अलाउ दिस, and I feel that there shouldn't be any disaster taking place.